What's this man doing here? He's taking something out of the water. Hello.
Hello.
What are you taking? What is this?
For fishing.
For fishing? You use it for fishing?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. So he's taking some things from the sea that he will use to catch the fish later. We're now just continuing along the boardwalk towards the center of Durres. And here it's really lined up with all types of restaurants where you can eat delicious seafood. It definitely feels like these places are upper class, like a bit more expensive than the usual Albanian restaurants. Here we have a little Luna Park, which is closed. A few shops here selling hats, jewelry, sunglasses, magnets as well. Here as well. Doesn't look like they have a lot of clients now. We have arrived here at the most famous part of the boardwalk in Durres. This area is called the Volga, and here the boardwalk is really wide. You don't just have the walking path here, you have like a huge square and a lot of green, a little bit like a park. I have to say that a lot of the trees look a bit dead now, so it's not as green as I've seen it on pictures before. And there's actually a little beach here as well. There are not too many people there, mostly old people. It's not really a beach, it's more like rocks and sand. Actually, I'm not really sure what it is. Let's have a look. I'm honestly not really sure what it is. Is it something that comes out of the sea, or was it put here by humans? It looks like it's coming out of the sea. What is this? Can I touch it? That's really weird, guys. Does this come out of the sea? It's like a really hard ball. Very strange. So this comes out of the sea? That's very hard to imagine. But it's all there. Very strange, guys. I've never seen anything like this at the beach. And here as well we have people fishing. We have people in the water there on the pedalo. That's what I want to do as well. Some paddling in the water, but I'm not sure where they got it from. There are a few more there in the water. But when I was passing by there, I didn't see any place where you can actually rent them. Here's some old guy and his bicycle modeling for someone making pictures. And we have a playground that looks quite new. And there are many kids enjoying it. And you see even here there's someone laying at this beach.